not sure who I am. It's been too long. That depression has held me deep in its throne, and all I do is hurt those who surround. I'm no man of action, just all fury and sound. And so and most others too. I'm killing myself to see this life through. I really know that I am worthless. There's no value here, and there's really no one that I've held so dear. There had been no physical contact at all. Not because of lack of desire on my part, but because I had realized that she was special. And I wasn't about to do anything to potentially lose her. I truly wanted to hold her close, and hold her for as long as she'd let me. Nothing had happened except conversation. But it was intimate. Not the words said, but the connection that had grown.